Unpacking process. Product installation. Install the bolts. Secure the fork legs and the frame using Allen wrenches. Sequentially install the main wheel and washer. Then install the locking pin to secure. Remove the locking pin. Pull out the fork securing shaft. Install the forks. Push back the fork shaft. Install the locking pin. Remove the nut and washer. Sequentially install the handle, washer, and nut and tighten it. Install the flatbed according to actual needs. Product usage.